Have you ever noticed that the people who talk the most are rarely the ones who command the most respect? The loudest voice in the room often hides the greatest insecurity, while the person who speaks calmly acts deliberately and refuses to chase approval becomes impossible to ignore. Most men spend their lives trying to earn respect by impressing others. They work harder to be noticed. They explain themselves too much. They seek validation from people who never intended to respect them in the first place. But the Stoics understood a truth that modern society has almost forgotten. Respect is never begged for. It is never demanded. It is earned through the quiet strength of character. If you master the principles in this video, people will begin to treat you differently, not because you forced them to, but because your presence alone will speak louder than your words. Stay until the end, because the final lesson is the one Marcus Aurelius practiced every single day, and it has the power to transform the way people see you forever. The first principle is to stop explaining yourself. One of the fastest ways to lose respect is to constantly defend every decision you make. Imagine a man who announces every goal before he starts. He spends hours convincing everyone why he chose a certain path. Every criticism becomes an argument he feels obligated to answer. Without realizing it, he places his confidence in the hands of other people. The Stoics believe that your actions are your greatest argument. Epictetus taught that if someone misunderstands you, let your life become the explanation. Every minute spent trying to convince people is a minute stolen from becoming the person who needs no explanation. Truly confident people are comfortable being misunderstood because they know that time eventually reveals the truth. The next time someone questions your choices, resist the urge to justify yourself. Smile, continue your work, and let the results answer for you. The second principle is to become comfortable with silence. Modern life has trained people to fill every empty moment with noise. Many speak simply because silence makes them uncomfortable. But silence is one of the greatest weapons of wisdom. Marcus Aurelius wrote that it is better to remain silent than to speak without purpose. Think about the people you naturally admire. They don't interrupt every conversation. They don't rush to express an opinion on everything. They observe carefully. They listen more than they speak. When they finally say something, everyone pays attention because their words carry weight. Silence gives you information. It reveals people's intentions, their emotions, and often their weaknesses. The person who controls silence controls the conversation. The one who cannot tolerate silence usually reveals too much. The third principle is to stop seeking everyone's approval. This is one of the greatest traps of modern society. Many people shape their personality around pleasing others. They fear rejection so deeply that they hide who they truly are. Seneca warned that the man who tries to please everyone ends up pleasing no one, including himself. The more desperately you seek approval, the less people respect you because desperation is visible even when you try to hide it. Ironically, respect begins to grow when you no longer depend on it. When your decisions are guided by your values instead of public opinion, people recognize your authenticity. Not everyone will like you, and that is perfectly fine. The Stoics never aim to be liked. They aim to be virtuous. There is a tremendous difference between popularity and respect. Popularity comes and goes. Respect lasts because it is built upon integrity. The fourth principle is to master your emotions. Anyone can remain calm when life is easy. True character appears when life becomes difficult. Imagine two men facing the same insult. One immediately reacts with anger, raises his voice, and loses control. The other remains calm, listens carefully, and chooses his response instead of reacting emotionally. Which one appears stronger? The answer is obvious. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself that other people's behavior belongs to them, but your response belongs to you. Emotional discipline communicates strength without saying a single word. People instinctively respect individuals who cannot easily be provoked because emotional control demonstrates inner authority. If someone can control your emotions, they control you. The Stoic refuses to hand over that power. The fifth principle is to keep your promises, especially the ones you make to yourself. Respect begins within. Every time you promise yourself that you will wake up early, exercise, study, or improve your life and then fail to follow through, your own mind begins to doubt your character. Self-respect slowly disappears. Once self-respect weakens, it becomes almost impossible to earn respect from others. Discipline is not about perfection. It is about consistency. Every fulfilled promise becomes another brick in the foundation of confidence. Imagine looking into the mirror knowing that your words always match your actions. That kind of confidence cannot be faked because it comes from evidence. Your life becomes proof that your character is trustworthy. The sixth principle is to walk away when necessary. Many people remain where they are constantly disrespected because they fear loneliness more than humiliation. They tolerate unhealthy friendships, toxic relationships, and workplaces that drain their spirit. The Stoics believe that your peace is worth protecting at all costs. Walking away is not weakness, it is wisdom. Every time you remove yourself from an environment that destroys your dignity, you remind yourself and everyone else that your standards cannot be negotiated. Respect follows those who respect themselves enough to leave what no longer serves them. Sometimes your silence while walking away says more than 1,000 arguments ever could. The seventh principle is to become difficult to manipulate. Manipulative people survive by controlling your emotions. They use guilt, fear, praise, and criticism to influence your decisions. But Stoicism teaches emotional independence. When your happiness no longer depends on compliments and your peace is no longer destroyed by insults, manipulation loses its power. This is why emotionally disciplined people often intimidate those who seek control. They cannot be pushed around because their decisions come from principles rather than emotions. They become steady like a mountain while others are moved by every passing storm. The eighth principle is to focus on excellence instead of attention. Many people waste years trying to appear successful instead of becoming successful. Social media has intensified this problem. People announce every achievement before accomplishing it. They seek applause before doing the work. The Stoics would reject this mindset completely. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself to stop discussing what a good man should be and simply become one. Excellence attracts respect naturally. You never need to advertise genuine competence because people eventually notice consistent results. Instead of asking how to gain attention, ask how to become undeniable. Attention fades quickly. Excellence creates a reputation that survives long after the applause ends. The ninth principle is to refuse unnecessary arguments. Not every opinion deserves your response. Not every insult deserves your attention. Imagine trying to wrestle with every person who insults you online or in real life. You would spend your entire existence fighting battles that change nothing. Epictetus taught that if someone speaks badly about you and it is true, improve yourself. If it is false, ignore it. There is incredible freedom in realizing that you do not have to attend every argument you are invited to. Your peace becomes more valuable than your pride. The strongest man is often the one who knows which battles are not worth fighting. The 10th and perhaps most powerful principle is to build your identity on character rather than reputation. Reputation depends on what others think about you. Character depends on who you truly are when nobody is watching. Reputation can disappear overnight because of rumors, misunderstandings, or jealousy. Character remains untouched because it is internal. Marcus Aurelius constantly reminded himself that the opinions of others are temporary, but virtue is permanent. When your identity rests upon honesty, discipline, courage, patience, and wisdom, external criticism loses its ability to shake you. You become anchored instead of drifting wherever public opinion pushes you. Think about the men throughout history who are still respected centuries after their deaths. It was never because they were the loudest, the richest, or the most famous. It was because they stood firmly by their principles even when doing so came at a personal cost. Their lives became examples rather than advertisements. That is exactly what Stoicism invites you to become. Not someone who demands respect, but someone whose actions naturally inspire it. From this moment forward, remember these simple truths. Speak less and observe more. Explain yourself less and accomplish more. Seek approval less and build character more.